Hey guys, I thought it'd probably be easier if I made a little recording to show how to use the mixer brush tool. This is an image that I have already run through Lightroom and run through Photoshop and done my normal edits on. The only thing I have left is the mixer brush tool and sharpening. You can find the mixer brush tool over here. It's at the very bottom. It's going to be in the drop down menu. It's right there, mixer brush tool. And then up here at the top, there's another drop down menu that you'll want to set it to moist heavy mix. And then always make a new layer to work on. After that, you'll just come over here and on the skin and just kind of, you're just blending the skin together, like blending the tones. Don't get it on the hair, of course. I usually try to work in little areas when I'm blending because I want them to be like the same tone. Like here, I'll even work on the side of her nose, and then I'll work over here on her cheek a little bit. As you can see, I'm picking up and putting down a lot. Somebody explained it to me one time. It's kind of like spreading jelly on some toast. And I'll come down over here to her arms a little, and over to this arm some. And I know right now she looks kind of plasticky, but that's why I always work on another layer, because I'm going to bring that opacity down quite a bit here. I normally bring it down somewhere between 40 and 70. Just kind of depends. I'm happy with her there at 58. You can see the before and after. All it is to me is just like it polishes the picture just a little bit. It's not overdone, but just a little difference. I would then flatten that, and the last thing I do, I have an action that I've made and sharpen it. And that just kind of brings it back just a little bit sharper. And you can see this was the before Photoshop. That's like straight out of Lightroom before I did any Photoshop actions. And then that's the after. Thanks bunch.